Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Hey, just testing the mics out. How y'all doing? How your mama now? This Merry Christmas. Happy welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. Saying this Merry Christmas, but it ain't gonna air about 2 weeks later. Give or take a week. Hey. I got a new Dixon from Atlanta. This is called Chucky. You know. It's pretty cool. Hey, run an intro now. Just take a few moments to know what the day is about. But listen. Peaceful. Not for a minute. As soon as I start this beast up. Yeah. It's gonna be an awesome day. It's gonna warm up about 65 or so, give or take a couple degrees. And all this week, all last, saying it might rain today. Alright. Hey, what y'all up to? I can't be right. The temperature says it's 39.2 degrees. So, that just it don't feel right because I was outside in a short sleeve when I pulled the bike out and all. It feels warmer than 39.2 degrees. Anyway, we'll see what if it changes. But anyway, it's December the 25th. I'm 2 days older and deeper in debt. Oh, me. It's a little story of a mountain man named Jed. Went from the haunting ending in the gun. Up come the Cumberland crude. Black gold, Texas tea. Nope, that's not what we're gonna talk about. That's the way my mind works. I said, well, here's a story about a man named Brady and a lady named Brunch, and they each had three kids. Yeah, 3 kids. That's how they became the Brady Bunch. Oh, Lordy. That ain't it. That's not the story. The story is, I've been riding motorcycles for 49 years. As of this date in history, December 25th, I was just turned 6 years old. I was 6 years old. 2 days past 6 years old, something like that. Yep. Temperatures came up 49 now. That's when I just turned 6, and I got a little Honda 50 3-speed on the shifter. No clutch. But man, I rode that thing for it stayed with me for 16 years. I wish Mom and them wouldn't sold it. It was still running. It's 16 years old. It was 76, I believe it was, or 75, one of the two. And hey, you can't find them now. Every time I go to barbers, I check the prices of them. About $3,000 or more if restored. But anyway, I hope this day goes better than that day did. Got my first motorcycle, popped my first wheelie, and had my first wreck. All in the same day. You gotta remember, down the Generation X, you know, baby boomer, well, granddaddy was baby boomers, I guess you would say. So that means, here's your gas. You twist this to go faster. It's your front brakes. You don't use it. And that's your rear brakes on this side. And here's the gear. All of them's down. You want to, yeah, all of them was down. And you got to gear down. You pull it up. Oh, okay. About the how I learned to swim too. That didn't go too good either. don't believe he's coming up. Ah, shit. Oh, me. Well, I've been riding for 49 years, off and on. How about that? I just thought that'd be neat, knowing that 49 years ago, I was riding a motorcycle and I'm doing it now on Christmas Day. So I wasn't the first time to riding on Christmas. It was cold that Christmas. I remember it being cold. And it's like having a horse, you know, you'd fall off or you had to get back on it, but I didn't get back on it that day. It was like a couple of weeks later, maybe. It was a #1 grandson. I'm the oldest grandson out of the whole, both sides of the family. Yep. Alright, well, we're gonna ride on over to 80 miles over there, give or take. I don't know which way I'm going. I might just run the back roads all the way and not get on the interstate. That's what I said last time when I went to Thanksgiving. You can check out that video up here. But I might go 78 all the way. Just enjoy the day. It's just now 10 o'clock. And, you know.
Happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song.
Hey y'all. We about jumped off the big road. I rode it a little longer than I wanted to, but I wanted to show you this bridge. The old Coosa River Bridge. I don't know if it's got a special name, but it's an old bridge. I think it's pretty cool. 2-lane bridge, but not wide enough for 2 trucks on it. Y'all seen them too? There's a picture years ago with 2 school buses trying to pass each other on it. It's only 13 twos on the side, 15 in the middle. I mean, take a tight squeeze. There's the Ark. Ark right there. It's a pretty good seafood place. It's been around longer than I have. Is it still the Ark? I couldn't see the name on it. You used to get catfish there. And, well, you still get catfish there. But you bring it home in a paper bag and the grease stains on the, that's how you know you got a good batch of stuff. Fish. Hush puppies and french fries, fried catfish. We never really bought that much fried catfish because we always fried it ourselves. Yep. Back in the days. So, this is what we usually get off of, but I got off one exit before the end just because I wanted to slow down the pace, you know, a little bit, show you that bridge and whatnot. Oh, we wanted me to jump back on the big road, but I'm not. I'm just gonna go this way because I feel like it. We'll see you in a few minutes. I'm gonna run by the cemetery. Well, we're here at the St. Clair Memorial Gardens. Hey, Wreath America, they did that. We did that. Our trucking company hauled wreaths a couple of times a year. 2 or 3 times, I think we done it. Oh, I don't have to go. I don't know where I'm going. They put a memorial out here. That's my family bench right there. Look how soft this ground's gonna be. Oh. Duck, Isabels, Savages, all these people kind of kin to us. Ain't no way you can. Thompson, David, one ain't much younger than me, died of cancer. I see this, my grandmother died in 72, I think, and the aunt did. So I was 2 years old. Then Papa, WW2, U.S. Army Air Corps Sergeant, 1997. And then on the other side, is my daddy. So there's one more. Ain't got no flowers. Thompson, that's Mevin. That's my grandmother, my granddaddy's brother-in-law, Ruth. Notice the date, December 24th, 2012. And Daddy's December 25th, 2012. Yep. That's David, grandmother, and Papa. Yep. There's another. I think Sid's up that way. That's my daddy's. My granddaddy's other brother. Alright, let's go eat some ham and all. And Bradshaw. Can't remember how many times I've made a rip up and down this road. On bicycles, acoustic motorcycles. Best friend, Shears, Tommy Shears, and then grew up there in that house. So I was where I would ride to. Don't get on this road till we went down around and come back through his grandparents. Cause this was a truck highway. It's just too busy on that 144. Here we are. Oh, I don't know if I was recording then. So that used to be my granddaddy and them's house. And that carport, you can't see it for the little trees, but that's where I had took off on the first motorcycle ride. Made a complete circle, 49 years, the same place. Would ride down through here, because some of these trees wasn't here. And whoop, around through here, go down behind that building, which wasn't there. There's a curve with a sidewalk. Jump it, back around. Many miles on this road.
I'm sorry, I have to ask you. Do you have something you want to talk to me about? No. Okay.
You ready to?
I'm ready.
Good, ready? Well, let's get to it.
Just enjoying it with the family, you know how that is. Guess I'm going back this way. Y'all knew that. Oh, man, that's the only problem is she smokes and dog dandruff and cat dandruff and smoking. To ease my asthma up, that was a bump. God dog, I think I broke my britches. I think I did. Broke my belt loop or something. Oh me. Alright, well we headed back towards the house. Ain't much to see. I hope everybody got what they wanted for Christmas. I'm debating on going to get a new toolbox from Hobo Freight. I looked at one yesterday and I thought, this is a little bit bigger. Drawers a little bit deeper. I don't know. Save that money. Yep. Anyway, go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. What's all over my gloves?